Hey there, this is me Aryan Satya and today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11. So this is Windows 10 and this is Windows 11 which have been extracted from this ISO. This is the Windows 11 ISO. So when you mount it, you can find it here. You can directly install it from here, but there will be a problem. So the problem will be this thing. Okay, let's open this and let's wait. Yeah. I don't need your help. And next, so let's wait, fast forward, and there you go. This is the problem. The PC must support TPM 2.0. You'll face it when you directly want to install it. So there's another method to install this. So first you need to create a new folder and name it something, whatever you want, and just open it and just copy those files into it. I'm gonna delete this. So this is the file, opening it, and now go to source and open the file which will be in the description. Just or else I'll just upload the changed file, I mean like moved one. Yeah, you just need to move it or just copy paste. I'm just gonna copy and paste it right here. Yeah, that's it. Now just again open the file and open the setup and wait for a while. Yeah, I don't need help again. Next. Fast forward. Yeah, accept, and once again fast forward. Yeah, I'm taking so long. I'm just gonna mess around. You need at least 10 GB space. Got around 20, so it's fine. So this is Windows 11 Pro M. We'll keep all the files as it is. Install, and all you just need to do is wait. Again, fast forwarding, and yeah, restarted. Well, taking so long, so I just fast forwarded. And here we go, Windows 11 is installed. I'm just gonna log in right now. I'm in right now, and here we go, getting things ready for you. Mhm. This might take a few minutes. I think it's gonna take so long, so I'm just gonna fast forward it. Mhm. Almost there, and there you go, it's installed. Close. Yeah. Huh. So it's beautiful. Damn. Mm, let's check the wallpapers. This is it. Thanks for watching. By the way, make sure to subscribe.